To Yardstyle live.
That's how it going now.
So, Love is Guaranteed, the song with you and Jack Radix now. How did that?
Alright, with the runner, one dreadlocks runner, Agley Park Road.
Record Factory?
No man. You look at dread before you reach the factory yeah. Come further down.
Okay.
Him new own some race sauce and them things. I can't remember him name. See? So we go down there. I say Jack and me and Jack sit down and reason and Jack say, Reggie, come on, go down to Chisholm there, go buy a jar of weed. And I say, what do you mean, Jack? I mean, I have money and Jack will buy the weed. But Jack buy the weed and I say, come on, now go back down, where dread me, man? Jesus, please. Now go back down to the brother, you know. So go up and mixing them. I say, yeah, man, mixing lab nice, man. Reach up and mixing lab and me Bill Swift, Jack and Bill Swift. Me don't near to the door, Jack the down here, so. So I Bill Swift, we hear the door open because we hear the music loud and we hear the guarantee with him play. Poo-tum, tum, 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 tum. See? So same time Steely come out and say, what? The two of you pay a bad and him go and wicked and I say, want a tune from one? No! No! The two of you I say, want it? No! So at the same time Jack does, you have caught me, baby. You have caught me, girl. Yeah, so when Jack starts singing now, I say, what the blow me I go say now? And Jack say, Reggie, when I have a tune name Guaranteed, you know. So I love him guaranteed, you know. And from the man says something, I say, it is guaranteed. Tell you this, I love, no need the warranty. You are love for sure, and me say, yes indeed.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.